Guys, did you know that Zillow is hiring for a remote position paying almost $40 an hour? Well, in today's video, I'm going to explain step by step on how you can get in on this position with no experience and make almost $40 an hour. Guys, stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, I'm Credit Coach Q, and I create the first cloud-based software that allows you to put your credit repair expense into your own hands. If you're new to the channel, guys, I'm super excited because I have a banger. In today's video, we're going to talk about Zillow and their remote position paying $40 an hour. But before we get into the video, guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. It allows YouTube to push this content to a wider audience, and also allows YouTube to push this content within an algorithm that allows us to leave these lights on. Guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you have anything derogatory in your credit report, I mean anything negative, charge-offs, late payments, bankruptcies, medical bills, guys, you name it, please go over to mycreditapproved.com. It's the website and the software that I was telling you about that allows you to put the full experience to your own hands. Guys, people are removing thousands of dollars worth of debt by themselves. They are no longer using credit repair companies. They are putting this information and this experience into their own hands and appreciating on a deeper level. Guys, please go to mycreditapproved.com, check out the software, and start removing these items, guys, if you have anything derogatory on your credit report. Now, let's dive straight into the meat and potatoes of this video, guys. I'm super excited about this video because we're going to give you an opportunity to work for Zillow. Now, Zillow is a company that basically allow you to buy and sell property. We're going to talk about that a little bit more, but they are basically looking for a position that you can do without actually being on the phone. So I know a lot of the remote positions require you for you to be on the phone. They're not asking for you to do any of this. They basically asking for you to be a chat representative for a great company and really make a large amount of money. They are asking you to fit the mission statement that they are trying to deliver on and basically be a good representative for the company and the policies that they promise to deliver. Guys, it's really short and sweet. They're not asking for you to have any certifications, any past experiences, any of that. They basically just want you to jump in and have a great personality and a great charisma towards providing and building the mission statement that they want to build on. It's really that easy, guys. They want you to be a chat representative. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go into my screen and I'm going to show you guys step by step on how to get this secret sauce to make almost $40 an hour. Guys, stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. So like I said, we're going to talk about Zillow actually paying upward to almost $40 an hour. So let's dive straight in. So basically, Zillow is a company that allow you to purchase homes, or you can sell your home as well. They also are looking to get into some other avenues in business, but for the most part, that's where you can see the valuation of a home, or you can just shop around for different variations of homes in general. And they're looking for a product support specialist. So let's talk about that a little more. So the description that they're looking for is called a product support specialist, and it is a remote position, so you don't have to worry about that, and it's not a position that requires for you to talk on the telephone. I know a lot of these work from home jobs require for you to spend a large amount of time generally talking on the telephone, so that's not this position. Okay, so basically it is for a company that Zillow owns named Street Easy. Street Easy is seeking a product support specialist to join our product support team. We're a close-knit team that collaborates with all areas of the business. Our focus is to build, strengthen, and expand relationships with the real estate professionals while also assisting consumers using Street Easy to find their next home. So about the role, in this role you will find with the product support team members having a strong commitment to resolving issues and providing education to New York City real estate professionals, Street Easy customers, and internal employees. So what you would get to do basically is handle a high value of customers inquiries via email and live chat, with inquiries relating to site usability, information accuracy, billing, and accounts for the Street Easy and Out East brands. So basically, guys, what you're going to be doing is doing live chats and doing inquiries relating to the site usability and billing accounts. So in my opinion, to sum it up, you're going to be basically a live chat representative. You're going to recognize problems, find solutions, and provide feedback provide for site improvements to Street Easy and Out East product teams, actively participate in other business functions as they apply, particularly user education and training presentations, agent relationships, and general site improvement discussions for related brands. So guys, they're not really asking for you to have a lot of experience in this position. They're not basically requiring for anyone to have any type of past experience in this field. They're basically looking for someone that's motivated to join a driven team and basically be part of their mission. In regards to that, you're still going to obviously have to do the live chat and participate in business functions. So it's not just going to be a live chat thing and then you jump off. You're still going to have to go to the meetings, the training presentations, agent relationships, things like that. This role has been categorized as a remote position. Remote employees do not have a permanent corporate office workplace. Instead, work from a physical location of their choice, which must be identified to the company. Employees may live in any of the 50 U.S. states with limited exceptions. In certain cases, an employee in a remote designated job may need to live in a specific region or time zone and support customers or clients as a part of their role. Now, you can live in all 50 states, but I do know that the pay for different states vary. So, for instance, it says in California, Colorado, Connecticut, Nevada, New York City, and Washington, the standard base pay range for this role is $22.70 to $36.30 an hour, guys. This base pay range is specific to California, Colorado, Connecticut, Nevada, New York City, and Washington, and may not be applicable to other locations. So basically, you will want to do your due diligence to see the geographical location that you're in and how that translates to the pay that you're going to get. But they're not, like I said, asking for any type of past experience. You don't need any certifications or anything like that, so that's great. And you're not going to be on the phone, guys. This is a no-brainer for me. If you need some stay-at-home job and some stay-at-home income without having to be on the phone and your background being in the experience of the customer, you don't have to worry about any of that. You can do everything via remote chat and basically just type and make $36 an hour, guys. This is a no-brainer for me. If you have any questions on this and how it relates to your city, reach out to the ZILLOW team and ask them basically more about the position. But in addition to competitive base salary, this position is also eligible for equity awards based on the factors such as experience, performance, and locations. Actual amounts will vary depending on the experience, performance, and location. So if guys, you can be eligible for equity awards, so that's big. So having equity in any position with a job is always a great thing as well. So yeah, guys, this is not no cookie cutter type of job. They are expecting you guys to look at it as being professional as possible. You can live in all 50 states and make upwards of $36 an hour depending on the state, but they're not asking for you to do a lot. It's better than working at McDonald's or anything like that, if you ask me. So guys, let me know in the comments how you feel about this, and is this something that you guys can do? If you have done this position, let me know in the comments how your experience was and how it's actually going. But until next time, guys, take care of yourself, take care of your credit. Credit Coach Q out.